Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Redmi 12R. So at the start, when I have a problem with my headphones or any other Bluetooth gadget, I am only starting from the simplest way: just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button for a few seconds, or power button and volume up, yeah, and tap on the reboot. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated power mode. How to activate power mode, you will find a manual to the device. Sometimes you have to push the functional button for a few seconds, sometimes 3 times. Sometimes the gadget just starting the power mode after turning them on, so you have to check it by yourself. And be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices, but it's still not on your phone. Go to the settings. Now choose the connection sharing and swipe down to the Reset Wi-Fi Mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on the Reset Settings and tap on the OK. After that, look for the device again on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update your system. How to do it? Open the About Phone section and choose the MIUI version. If you have an update, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me: check your Bluetooth accessory on your phone or on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.